Hello everybody and welcome to another video, and today we're going to be reviewing the Super Mario Happy Meal Toys 2017 at McDonald's. And these are the toys for May and June. I don't know what they'll have, but anyways, let's see what we got. It's got Jumping Mario, so sort of switch here. If I can get it. Actual noise. So cool. A toy. Noise toy. And then we got Luigi, and he seems to be in a cannon. Like a pipe cannon. But anyways, basically you get to shoot him. See how he goes. So, it's a cool Luigi toy. Anyways, we actually have a Koopa cell, which is what goes to pull back. So, let's see how far this guy goes. Three, 2, 1, go! Huh. And next, we have the king himself, Bowser. So we'll trick you with like a little fireball here, and you just kind of put it up. So here's Bowser, and there's this little button, and shoots. This is pretty cool. Here's the fireball. Let's go from there to try. And try again. Oh no. Uh-oh. If I can get it. But anyways, that is it for this video. So, bye. Whoa.